Today I'm going to show you how to remove anything from a photo in Adobe Photoshop. First, click on the new layer icon to create a blank layer. Let's name it, Remove Anything. Now from the toolbar, select the Remove tool. Open the setting or gear icon at the top. Then under the color, you can choose any color for brush. So I'm gonna choose black. You can also decrease the opacity of your brush by dragging this slider. And make sure Sample All Layers is checked. Now you can also increase or decrease your brush size by pressing the square brackets key on your keyboard. And you can paint over the areas you want to remove. If you can see here, where my brush stopped, the painted areas were removed automatically. So if you want to paint first the areas you want to remove like so, just uncheck Remove after each stroke at the top. Now you can paint the areas you want to remove at once. And when you're done, just press Enter on the keyboard to remove it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.